In the new Kentucky Core Academic Standards for Mathematics for middle school, there are three major shifts from previous mathematics standards that have occurred: focus, coherence, and rigor. The first shift is focus, and this means that in grades 6 through 8, there are very specific topics on which students will be spending the greatest amount of time. In 6th grade, students are working with ratios and proportional relationships. If I took 7 hours to mow 4 lawns at that rate, how many lawns could be mowed in 35 hours? Also, students tackle early expressions and equations like subtract y from 5. In grade 7, students continue to work with ratios and proportional relationships as well as rational numbers. And in grade 8, linear algebra is the focus. For example, the function a equals s squared, giving the area of a square as a function of its side length, is not linear because its graph contains the points 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9, which are not on a straight line. The second shift in middle school mathematics is coherence. Generally, in all grade levels, you should be able to work with your student on a problem like this. A family is going to plant 2 trees in a park. One tree is 4 feet tall and will grow 3 feet per year, and the other tree is 7 feet tall and will grow 1.5 feet per year. How many years will it be before the 2 trees are the same height? How long will it be before each tree is 20 feet tall? The third shift in the new mathematics standards is rigor, which consists of conceptual understanding, procedural skill and fluency, and applications. Now remember, teachers are working with your students on concepts, but your students need to practice at home. Parents can help their students improve their fluencies by having them practice the types of problems we're about to go into for about 20 to 30 minutes 3 times a week. In 6th grade, your student should be able to handle a problem like this: 12.4 times 3.16 equals 39.184. In 7th grade, your student should be able to correctly answer a problem like this: 7/10 divided by 8/15 equals 1 and 5/16. In 8th grade, your student should be able to work through a problem like -1 3/8 times -2 7/9 equals 3 and 59/72. Now we have a list of resources here on the website where your student can do some practice problems on nights when maybe they don't have math homework already. As a parent, your student needs your positive reinforcement and the accountability that comes with being an active participant in their learning.